It's Beatle J here, and I've got my copy of Something New by the Beatles. Now, I'm pretty sure this is a reissue, and although it has the rainbow label on it, the rainbow label was originally used on the early Capitol releases, but it was brought back in the 80s. So I'm assuming this particular record is from the 80s, but still sounds great. The Beatles' Something New album would be the third Capitol LP released by the band. Something New was released on the 20th July 1964, only 10 days after the UK release of A Hard Day's Night. This album was released in both mono and stereo versions. All mono mixes of the 5 songs duplicated from the United Artists soundtrack album are identical on both releases. Something New was the only early Capitol Beatles album to contain all tracks in true stereo. The mono release contains alternative versions of Anytime at All, I'll Cry Instead, and When I Get Home. This album was also released on the Parlophone label and for sale only on American Armed Forces bases in Europe. The album was also issued in Germany on the Odeon label. The album spent 9 weeks in 1964 at number 2 on the Billboard Top LP charts. In 2004, Something New was re-released for the first time on CD as part of the Capitol Albums Volume 1 box set.